In this video, I'm going to show you how to add blog posts to a page on your WordPress website. So there's actually a few different ways to do this, and I'm going to show you each of these in this video. So the first method is just heading over to your WordPress dashboard, and then what you need to do is come down to this left navigation and select settings, and then click on reading. So the first thing you can do is if you have a blog type website, then you may just want all of your blog posts to kind of display on your home page in this feed kind of format. Now to do this, what you can do is select your latest posts next to your homepage displays, scroll all the way down to the bottom and press Save Changes. Now what that's going to do is it's going to display this kind of feed-like format where all of your blog posts are just going to be listed. This can sometimes be useful if you just have a blog website and you don't have anything else on the homepage. But sometimes what you might want instead is all of these blog posts to go to a specific page. Now in that instance, what we're going to do is head over to the Pages tab in our WordPress dashboard and select Add New Page. Then what you'll need to do is just give this page a name. I'm going to call it News. You can call it something like Blog Posts and then hit Publish. Then just click on Publish again. And now once you have this page created, we're going to head back over to the WordPress dashboard, click back on the Settings tab and then click back on Reading. And what we're going to do now is change where it says your home page displays, and we're going to click a static page. And then what we're going to do here is set the home page just to our standard home. And then for the posts page, this is where we're going to select that news page or that blog page that we just created. Now if we click on the Save button and if we head over to Pages, I then click on that page that we just created, so it's this news page over here, you can see that it lists all of my blog posts on this one particular page. It's just a never-ending list of all the blog posts like so. You can also customize this as well by heading back over to the dashboard, click back on the Settings tab and click back on Reading, come back down to the bottom here, and what you can do is you can decide how much to display of this blog. So what we can do is change it from a full text to a summary of the text. And what selecting this option will do is when we come back over to our news page, rather than seeing all of the text on the blog layered down like this, it's just going to show a small summary for each of the blogs. So what we're going to do is just click on Save Changes, and that's a second method of adding blog posts to your WordPress website. Now the third method is we can actually come in to a particular page. So click on Pages from the left hand side and select the page where you want to add blog posts to. So let's say for example I wanted to add some blog posts to this cookie policy page over here. What we're going to do is come into the edit section of the page, move your mouse cursor to where you want the blog posts to start, and then we're going to click on this plus icon over here, and in the search box just type in posts, and then we'll have this option for latest posts. So as you can see, this is going to bring up a feed of all of our latest blog posts. And if I click on this like so, we also have some customization options. So from the right hand side, you can choose to do things like display the author name or display the featured image, as well as adjust some things like the width and the height and all that kind of stuff. You can also choose the layout and change it into a grid view instead, so it looks a little bit more cleaner on the page. And then if I go and hit save in the top right hand side, and if I now come over to view this cookie policy page and come all the way down to the bottom, you can see now all of our latest posts are showing up in this bottom section. And then what you could do as well, you could even add a heading for this just before the blog post, so it kind of makes sense on the page. And that's the third method of adding blog posts to your WordPress website. Now the final method of adding blog posts is what you need to do is come down to the left and select plugins, and then click on Add New Plugin. And then in the search box just type in blog and hit enter. And then what we're going to do is install this plugin over here that's called PostGrid Gutenberg Blocks in WordPress Blog Plugin. So click on Install now, and then you can just go and activate the plugin. Now there's a bunch of plugins that you can use, but this is just the one that I like to use. So now that you've installed this plugin, we're going to head over to Pages from the left hand side and click back on the page that you want to add these blog posts to, and just come into Edit Page. From the Edit page, we're once again going to click on this plus icon, select to Browse All, and this time you can see we now have this new option for Post X, which is the plugin that we just installed, and we have all of these different layouts that we can choose from to display our blog posts. So there's a bunch of different ones that we can choose from here. For example, we have this, and you just need to go through the list and find exactly which post grid you want to add. And once you're happy with the layout, there are some customization options from the right hand side, and once you finish, just click on Save in the top right hand side. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you add blog posts to specific pages in your WordPress website. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.